Oh, it might be flashing because... hi, guys. Alright, so I didn't record any voiceover a lot of this because it was pretty crazy there, but this is the Event 5 put on by the Triple F collection. We're going to go around and look at some crazy cars. There are some insane hypercars that we're going to get to see today, and it's at a really cool location, so stick around to see all that. Radman. This is so cool. Press a button? Thanks. I didn't know. I thought it wouldn't let you. Dang. What was that? Oh! Dang, that is sick. We are way up here. That is way down there. That kid's gonna fly through the crack.
He's not. You better be careful, dude.
He's got no fear. Dang, look at the people down below. Wow.
Smaller looking than I'd imagine.
What?
This is insane.
So much.
I was getting it on the other side too.
Yeah, it can follow.
It's just insane.
That's why it has fire.
That is crazy. Look at all them little bugs on there.
A leaf bug. I think it's a giant leaf.
This is almost just as nice as the Apollo. What do you think? I don't even know if you could see. Oh, that's cool. Look at the seats.
Watch out. This is all super slick, so watch yourself.
I will. Look at the seats. Those are insane.
Watch out. Watch out.
What?
Like this, it's really slick.
Why is that thing in the ground? That thing's sweet. Color is so nice. But I think that color is nicer.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Dang, that is so nice. Yeah, I feel like my car would be spinning out everywhere. This green color is so sick. Hope you can see it. Hard to tell on camera, I think, but this thing is full carbon. Literally everything, even inside the headlights, everything is just carbon fiber. I haven't liked the Revuelto until seeing it in person compared to the Aventador. That looks pretty sick in there. That's the coolest one here. Oh, I didn't even see the Mustang. Oh my god. What a cool spot too. Nah. Go ahead. Oh wow, this is cool.
House. This is like a Minecraft house.
Chicken jockey.
You know when you first start building a Minecraft house?
It is.
This is a Minecraft house.
They should park more of the
There's fish
supercars
in
over here.
Oh! There's fish
Oh
in
really?
here. Yeah, there's little fishies. Do you see one? It's right there. There's a little
Oh,
there's a
yeah.
fish right there.
I don't even think I could see it on the camera.
Look, there's a fish right there.
A little gaudy if you ask me, but it's still kind of cool. You guys think yay or nay? And I'm not even gonna comment on that. That's just a world of its own. Nope.
She's so pretty. Car right there.
The gray one?
Yeah, what is it?
Like an older Porsche. That thing is sweet. This whole area is cool.
Yeah, it's definitely insane.
We about to get to it. We get to it.
I ain't gonna lie. Only reason that one better two-tonner.
Mine's not this clean.
Gonna rate them?
Yes.
The Hypercars 1 through 10.
Yeah, or
worst-
just rating the
rating 'em,
Hypercars. I'm gonna do Apollo first, then the Hennessy, and then the P1, then the Koenigsegg Jesko, then the Senna, and then the Sabre. So at this point, we had stayed quite a bit longer past the time that the show was supposed to be over, and they started starting up the Hypercars and moving them, which was super cool to see.
nice. There's just
Here's a zombie horde coming.